And good afternoon. It's Chief Meteorologist Kurt Aaron. What you're looking at right now is our watches and warnings map. This is a tornado watch that's been issued for all of our viewing area. That's all of northeastern and central Pennsylvania. You may have been outside today and say, oh, the weather looks beautiful. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? It's going to be changing as we head into the evening hours, which is why the National Weather Service has issued this that you see on your screen, that tornado watch. That's until 11 o'clock this evening. Now, I just want to show you what it looks like statewide, because if you look off to the northwest, now you begin to see what I'm talking about. See that line of showers and thunderstorms? That's what's going to be passing over our region this evening. So you folks in central Pennsylvania, in the Williamsport area, you'll be dealing with it first, and then it'll eventually work its way into eastern Pennsylvania. We had those thunderstorms very early this morning. I don't know about you, but it woke me up in the middle of the night. And now it looks like we're going to have some more of these storms for this evening. The bad news is we may have the potential for some tornadic activity. So we're going to keep a close eye on that. Also, potential for damaging winds. And look at all the cloud-to-ground lightning. I put it in motion, and you can see this line just blossom as it's moving over our region. And yes, that little orange arrow you see spinning there, that's mesorotation being picked up by our radar. So that's showing the potential for some possible tornadic activity. Again, nothing confirmed. I want to look at the watches and warnings map, and I'm just going to expand this out just a little bit so you can see what all we have. Now, earlier today when I was showing this at noon, there was nothing, not one single county in Pennsylvania under a watch or warning. That has now changed. Western Pennsylvania, severe thunderstorm warnings in parts of there. Also, we got, looks like severe thunderstorm warnings over parts of Erie, stretching back towards Pittsburgh into Ohio. Yeah, there's a pretty nasty line. That's that line that I was just showing you. If we look at it on radar, and we'll back that up, and right there it is. So that's what's going to be coming through this evening. If you're going to be out and about, you're going to want to pay close attention to the radar. Download the WNEP app. Not just saying that to promote our app. I'm saying it because it's going to come in very helpful for you, very useful. And there's the line as it's moving through this evening. There's 9 o'clock, 9:30. 10:30. By 11 o'clock, it's pretty much out of here. Our main concerns, damaging winds, potential for some flash flooding, and also isolated tornadoes. We'll have to watch that. Hail is also an issue. And again, our greatest risk will be from 4 to 11 for those storms as they move through. And if you're going to be out and about, you're going to want to pay close attention. We're going to have much more on this coming up at 4 o'clock, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time online. Just wanted to give you a heads up that that line is on the way. It's coming, and we're going to be talking much more about that line that you can see right there moving through central and eastern Pennsylvania as we move into the afternoon. So we're just giving you a heads up online, WNEP.com and other social platforms. We're going to go back to WNEP TV, and we're going to start our broadcast in just a little bit at 4 o'clock. And of course, we're going to talk much more about the weather in the front and how it may impact you. So please come and join us on Newswatch 16. Have a great afternoon. Stay safe.